Hey everyone! If you want to create professional-looking documents without starting from scratch, Microsoft Word templates are the perfect solution. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find, customize, and save templates so you can work faster and create polished documents in just a few minutes. So let's get started. Open Microsoft Word, and instead of choosing a blank document, look through the available templates on the home screen. You can also use the search box to find templates for resumes, letters, calendars, brochures, reports, flyers, and much more. Once you find a template you like, click on it to preview the design. If it looks right for your project, click Create. Word will download the template if needed and open it as a new editable document. Now replace the sample content with your own information. Update the headings, text, images, colors, or any placeholder elements included in the template. Yeah, you can also change fonts or layouts to better match your personal style or brand. If you want to customize the design even further, use the Design and Layout tabs. From there, you can apply different themes, adjust spacing, modify page colors, or change the overall appearance while keeping the template's professional structure. When you're happy with the result, click File, then Save As. Give your document a new name and save it as a regular Word document. If you plan to reuse your customized version later, you can also save it as a Word template. And that's how to use templates in Microsoft Word. You know, templates save time, improve consistency, and help you create professional documents with very little effort. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.